Snack foods that are killing your brain. Snack food number 1. Some people think this is healthy for them, but it is not. Is peanut butter-filled pretzels from Costco though? They seem healthy, but they're not. The problem is twofold. The peanut butter is low grade and very addictive, containing lots of sugar that causes inflammation and is a primary risk factor for Alzheimer's disease. High blood sugar damages blood vessels in the brain, plus the oils used, like canola oil, cause inflammation. Food number 2 to avoid, this one tasting delicious, is potato chips. They are super salty, increasing blood pressure. Potato chips are also high in sugar and quickly digested, spiking insulin and blood glucose, which increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, a major disease risk factor. Food number 3 to avoid is breakfast cereals. Why? Well, for breakfast cereals, most of them are high in sugar and contain wheat, which has gluten, further increasing inflammation. Therefore, for a while, you can keep eating them, but not daily. If you want to be healthy while still consuming these foods, you should find a natural supplement that can counter that bad effect, such as reducing blood pressure or insulin levels and detoxing your whole body. One thing I would recommend is to take pure shilajit, which can detox and reduce all of the negative effects from the snacks. It is from a group of scientific researchers. You can find the purest version of it at the link in my profile.